The diplomatic ties between India and Canada are currently at their worst. Both nations have expelled each other's diplomats while exchanging fiery words. The issue began with Canada blaming India for the death of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. India has consistently alleged Canada of harboring and nurturing an entire Khalistani ecosystem in its soil. However, what if I tell you about existence of a Pakistani connection of Canada-backed Khalistani ecosystem? Hello and welcome to the pamphlet. Twitter account Osintwa recently posted a thread on the Khalistan gang and its Pakistani link. So let us start with Hardeep Singh Nijjar, on whom this entire diplomatic debacle began. He was the chief of the pro-Khalistani outfit Khalistan Tiger Force. He organized training camps for militants and attempted to revive Babbar Khalsa International, the group responsible for the Air India flight bombing that claims 329 lives. He was also associated with the ISI-sponsored Khalistani Front, Six for Justice. In 2015, Nijjar visited Pakistan to meet Khalistan Tiger Force leader Jagtar Singh and ISI. He was also listed in the Interpol Red Corner notice. Now the organization in question, Six for Justice, is headed by Khalistani separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. SFJ is registered in the name of Pannu, his brother Avtar Pannu and Pakistani national Muhammad Salman Yunus. Interestingly, Gurpatwant also set up his first business alongside his Pakistani national. Yunus further partnered up with Pannu in setting up KKRF or Kashmir Khalistan Referendum Front. According to Osintwa, KKRF is active on ISI's Kashmir Khalistani model to disintegrate India. Now, Yunus is not the only Pakistani in KKRF. Another one is Ghazala Habib, who is the founder of Pakistani-backed organization Friends of Kashmir. This organization is known for its anti-India propaganda on Kashmir. In 2020, it held a webinar and invited various US politicians and Pakistan's Sardar Masood Khan, Abdul Hamid Lon and Avtar Singh Pannu. Interestingly, Ghazala Habib and Pannu have also engaged with the USCIRF officials. The USCIRF, or United States Commission on International Religious Freedom, has been at the helm of anti-India propaganda for several years. It has cast aspersions on the integrity of Indian institutions and peddled hysteria about an impending genocide in India. So it could be said that entire leftist and ISI ecosystem is secretly nurturing the Khalistani ecosystem in Canada. And so far, individuals and entities like Pannu and SFJ have been able to operate freely from Canada, where they are openly raising calls to target Hindus or Indian diplomats. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and also do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.